Sexual health experts say that masturbation is a normal part of human sexual behavior. However, excessive masturbation can reduce the natural strength and arousal of the penis, leading to temporary erectile issues. It can also cause other problems, such as hand weakness, roughness of the penis, and more. Experts advise being aware of these risks. According to doctors, masturbation triggers the release of the dopamine hormone from the brain, which creates pleasure. But if done excessively, the receptors in the body gradually lose sensitivity, which can lower normal arousal and cause temporary erectile problems. Frequent ejaculation can also make the body tired, stress the nervous system, and sometimes lead to erectile issues due to feelings of guilt or mental strain. On the other hand, normal sexual intercourse generally does not cause these problems. During sex, not only dopamine but also hormones like oxytocin and endorphins are released. These hormones bring relaxation, strengthen emotional bonds, and because sexual activity usually isn't excessive, the body gets enough rest and recovery, so there is no harm and energy is quickly restored. Experts emphasize masturbation is not harmful, but excessive masturbation can create problems. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and a healthy mental state help maintain sexual health. If you're facing such issues, there is no need to worry. By following certain habits, the body can naturally recover. Sexual health specialists explain that excessive masturbation may temporarily reduce sexual strength, but there is no need to panic because the body has its own ability to restore itself. This is why natural recovery is possible. Doctors state that during masturbation, the brain releases an excessive amount of dopamine. This can reduce the sensitivity of the receptors over time. However, when masturbation is stopped for a period, these receptors gradually return to normal. The brain restores balance on its own, a process experts call a dopamine reset. Additionally, regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and mental calmness help the body recover quickly. This allows hormones like testosterone to function normally, ensuring proper blood flow to the penis. According to experts, this natural recovery ability exists in everyone's body. One expert says, thanks to the nervous system and the body's hormonal coordination, sexual strength can return to normal within a few weeks to a few months. The only condition is stop excessive masturbation and lead a healthy lifestyle. Otherwise, recovery may take longer. Our next video will cover which foods can help the body recover quickly and effectively. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If not, hit dislike. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you.